In this quick demo, we are going to go through the configuration of the dividend extraction FBP graph to show a few things that we can customize. So let's launch that graph here. Start FBP GUI. Okay. So file, open, get dividend safe. Here we have the dividend extraction FBP graph, and probably the most common configuration will be the storage location of the dividend investment information file, right? So it's handled by file writer and file writer _v. So to specify the file location, just shift right click on file writer block, and this line, the init line here, you can specify the name of the file where the information will be written into. Right. So here I'm just using the default location, the C slash, this is really C : winfbp WebDriver common dividend T, right? And you can throw in whatever path you want here. So this path here, that's the one. The first argument is file location. After you configure that, just click OK, and you do the same for file writer. Again, it's the first argument there, and you have to use this this slash, not the backslash, this slash. Right? And the other parameter that we can configure will be the delay in between sending each symbol to the dividend investor website, because that website does check for any spider program that will crawl its site, right? So if I don't specify any delay, then what I find out is that as long as I send the symbols one after another to that website, eventually they detect my presence and will shut me down. So what I need to do is to specify a random delay of at most 2 seconds here, i.e., so if I send one symbol to dividend investor, I have to wait for at most 2 seconds before I send the next symbol there. So this is the number, 2 seconds, and I think it will work for anything more than 2. I've tried 1 second and they shut me down. So anything that is 2 or more than 2 should do here, and it's the same for the one handling the venture symbols, right? Again, it's 2 seconds. And the last thing that we may need to configure is the place where we store the raw HTML data coming back from those public domain sites. So the raw HTML data for the TMX website and the raw HTML pages coming from the dividend investor, and they are stored. So shift right click, they are stored right here, right after the save cache. So it's in C slash winfbp slash cache slash dividend current, right? That's the path. winfbp slash cache /dividend/current is the folder name, right? So we actually specify the folder name, and underneath that folder all the raw HTML pages will be stored. The reason why I want to store them is that I need to use them for rerunning this application, but in a way that's going to do the stress testing, which we'll cover in another video. So if you're not interested in stress testing things, don't worry about changing this cache folder location. Okay, so the main thing is where to store, where's the file location for the dividend investor information. It's handled by file writer V, and the random delay is handled by crawler V. And always remember to do the save, right? Okay, because this is not a mobile app, it's the traditional Windows application. So whatever changes you make to the configuration, do the save, get dividend save, and click on the save, right?